Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw another view of the knuckle joint eye end. In this drawing, we'll learn how to make it properly on a drawing sheet. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So, let's get started. First, take a compass and a scale or ruler, and let's begin the drawing. As per the reference drawing, we can see two rectangles, each having dimensions of 70 millimeters by 29 millimeters, and there's a gap of 50 millimeters between them. So, first, draw a horizontal line of 70 millimeters using the scale. At the end point of this line, draw a vertical line of 29 millimeters. In this way, complete the first rectangle. Now, keeping a 50 millimeter distance, draw another rectangle of the same size. Now we have two rectangles. Next, draw a reference line from the midpoint of one rectangle towards the other rectangle. From the middle point of this line, draw a line of 184 millimeters in length. At the end of this 184 millimeter line, we need to draw a 44 millimeter vertical line. So from that point, take 22 millimeters upward along the positive y-axis and 22 millimeters downward along the negative y-axis. Now, from the middle of the two rectangles, take a point 70 millimeters away, and from that point, go 25 millimeters towards the negative x-axis. Using a compass, draw two circles with the same center, one with a radius of 25 millimeters and another with a radius of 48 millimeters. Then, connect the circles smoothly with the rectangles and erase the extra construction lines. Next, from the end point of the 184 millimeter line, mark 19 millimeters on both sides, and from those points, draw lines of 38 millimeters. Connect them properly to form the required shape. Now, draw a horizontal line of 70 millimeters and from there, make another line of 10 millimeters as shown in the video. From the 10 millimeter point, draw an arc using the compass, and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Finally, add all the dimensions as per the reference drawing. And that's it. Our knuckle joint eye end drawing is complete.